This is the solution for challenge number 4 called Touch and Reveal. This is a really neat technique, and it's been applied in a whole bunch of different ways by the teachers who submitted entries. I'm actually looking at one of the submissions. This is a submission from Jennifer, and this was a great way to use the technique. And the way it works is Jennifer set it up so if you touch on one of the states, it reveals the name. So she did a great job applying the touch and reveal technique. Let me go ahead and show you how she did it. What I really liked about this application is I did not know that the page background for the United States actually could be used with the state maps, which fit perfectly inside the image. And let me show you what I mean. This is just the page background of the United States. So now I can just go do a quick search on state maps and get a listing of all the different states. And I can go, let me go ahead and drag one out. Let me just go ahead and bring on Illinois, since that's where I live. And I'm just going to drag it out and put it over the map. Isn't that neat? So now what I can do to recreate the touch and reveal is I just need to put the name of the state in the back. So let me click a font. Just type Illinois. And I can kind of reduce the size so it fits in there. Let me reduce the size of the object. You can play around with that. That's pretty easy. There's Illinois. So now we just need to move the state over it. Oh, I can still see the word, so I need to make sure that the graphic is sitting in front, so I change its order. Bring to front. There, it's covering up the name of the state. Now, the last step in creating your touch and reveal is to go to your property, select the state, and I'm going to go ahead and do an object animation on it, and I'm going to have it fade out when it's touched. Keep my speed the same. I'm not going to repeat it. If I repeat it, it would just kind of flash. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like this. Let's see if it works. I touch it. It fades out, revealing Illinois in the back. So that's how to do the touch and reveal. There are a lot of different entries that they submitted that did a fade in too. And let me show you. I actually have one set up. I don't know what state this is right here, so I touch it. And it shows me that that's Alabama. And it's a very similar thing. What you have to do with that, let me go ahead and select that, unlock it. And this is just a grouped object with the name of the state and the map grouped together, as you can see. But now that I have it grouped, I'm going kind of fast here, I know that. What I can do is I can get it over where I want it. All right, let me micro adjust it using my control arrow key. There we go. I go to my properties tab. The first thing I want to do is go to fill effects, and I want to make it transparent. Can't see it. Then I go to my object animation, and I have it fade in this time. There you go. When the object is clicked, that's what I want. We're set to go. Let's go ahead and see what that does now. It's set to fade in when I touch it. And it does. All right, so that's how we do the touch and reveal. I hope you enjoyed this week's challenge, and look for the next challenge to come probably Sunday evening.